So if you were sorry, then you would walk this way and not continue doing your antics, what you're doing right now.
I obviously passed it, because if I didn't pass it, he would have already arrested me.
Don't
I work
resist.
as a school nurse. Stop!
Don't resist.
Stop! Ow! Ow!
Late on June 12, 2026, an officer in Island Heights, New Jersey, stops Melanie after saying she ran a stop sign and reached 50 in a 30. From the start, she treats the investigation like a debate she can win. The officers give her far more chances than they should, and every reset gives her another opening to argue.
How's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Island Heights Police Department. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes, so I'm getting my text for my ID. That's my registration.
Okay. So the reason for the stop is when you were coming out of Lake back in Island Heights, you ran the stop sign, and then driving away from me, you hit a speeds of 50 miles an hour in a 30. So you're going 20 miles an hour over. And then to catch up to you on Route 37, I had to go almost 95 miles an hour.
I understand. My brother's a cop in Port Authority.
So you're getting your ID sent to you?
Yes.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
So I went to my friend's house to drop off her belongings, and I'm going back home.
Going back home?
Yes.
Okay. Where do you live?
Yes.
Okay. Are you Melanie?
Yes.
All right. So you don't have your license on you, but you're just waiting for it?
So I have it. Yes. So I have it on, like, my,
Is it just not on you right now?
yes. So I left my bag. This is it.
How much did you have to drink tonight?
Not that much.
Not that much? Define not that much.
I had one drink with friends. That's it.
Was that where you were coming from?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna be honest, your eyes are very glassy. Your speech is a little slurred when you're speaking to me, and I am detecting the odor of an alcoholic beverage on your breath.
I'm
Alright. So,
Look, my brother's a Port Authority cop. My cousin is.
okay. Do you have
I
any
just want to get home.
cards on you or anything?
Yes, I do.
Alright.
Which is with my license.
They're
My
with your license?
Yes.
Okay.
Courtesy cards are a real thing in New Jersey. They might help with a regular traffic ticket. A suspected DWI? Not so much.
So I can send you a photo. I just want to get home, and he's freaking out.
Who are you on the phone with?
My boyfriend. Please, let me call you back. Please. I will discuss with him to send me the cards that I have. Is that okay?
That's okay. You put me in a little bit of a predicament here.
I know. I'm so sorry. I'm telling you, my brother's Port Authority. My cousin is in the county cop.
Okay. Do they live around here?
I can call them. You want me to call them? I can call them for you.
I'm detecting a lot of odor from the vehicle, and you gotta go all
order.
alcoholic beverage.
There's literally no order.
Well, obviously you can't smell it. I can smell it.
I'm telling you.
Just keep the car off. Hang tight for a second, okay? Just give me a minute.
Not right now, no. Do you mind stepping out for me? We're going to do some tests, okay?
The name dropping went nowhere. Her brother can't take the tests for her.
You're going to have to step out of the car, okay?
I don't appreciate this.
Okay. Listen, you got to step out. We're going to do some tests over here, okay?
That's fine.
All right, so why don't we go back over here, all right?
Over here. What's that?
Over here.
I don't think it was that bad of an issue, to
Okay.
be honest.
Okay.
Just, I'm sorry, but like, it wasn't that bad.
All right. That's not
Like-
what he's here to argue, okay?
No, but that's what it was stopped for.
So listen, why don't you pay attention to me, okay? So, do you wear glasses at all?
I think I should.
You think you should?
I
Okay.
think I should.
Okay. What I need you to do right now is just stand with your feet together, just like this, okay? With your arms down on your side, okay? Do you see the tip of my finger that's lit up by the flashlight?
Yeah.
Okay, I know it's hard to see, all right?
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Okay, you want me to turn off the lights back
No.
there? No? Okay. What I want you to do is follow the tip of my pen, your eyes only. You understand that?
Yeah.
So don't move your head, okay? All right? Just keep your head still. Okay, please.
I am.
Okay. Well, you're talking, you're moving your head. No, I'm asking you to follow the light with your eyes, okay?
But look at you.
Keeping your head
At the
straight.
same time.
Okay, miss,
I
if you...
look at the...
Miss, are you going to perform the test or no?
This is it. Can you give me the light?
Okay, no. No. Stop. Stop. You're making this harder than you have to do.
Yes, he can. He's conducting a test right now. Until
You're making this harder than you have to do.
You cannot do anything.
Listen.
Actually, legally, you cannot.
Okay. All right. You can argue that in court then, okay? So put your feet together. Are you going to perform the test or not? Miss, if you're not going to perform the test, it's all right. All right. Now we're going to go up, okay?
That's because he has nothing. No, I'm sorry, but sir, you have nothing.
I have 4 out of 6 right now. Okay. Are you ready to go up?
Yes, of course. Whatever you prefer.
Okay. Stand with your feet together and arms down on your side. Just tuck your chin for me a little bit, okay?
I think he's trying to prove something to you.
He's not trying to prove anything. He's certified in HGN. I am not. He's conducting the test as which he was trained to do it. So don't argue with him.
Okay. Are you ready?
That's what my brother is.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's fine. You can let him know. Just tuck your chin for me, please, okay? All right. Yep, just like that, okay? It's going to go up. Just keep your head straight where it is, okay? 4 out of 6.
Okay. So I'm going to conduct the next series of the tests. So our next test we're going to do is the walk and turn test. All right. So that's not the grab your phone test. That's the come over here with me.
I'm sorry. I'm ready to go. Stop.
You're not going to talk on the phone right now until I'm completed with my series of testing.
I'm sorry. No.
So if you were sorry, then you would walk this way and not continue doing your antics, what you're doing right now. Are you going to do my
Do not
test?
show off in front.
We're not. There's no showing off.
You are.
There's
you're
no
trying
showing off. I'm trying to do my job and you're hindering
I'm
me.
not a superior.
We're two completely separate agencies.
I don't understand what I'm doing wrong right now.
You are trying to go and grab your phone and you're not following our directions.
I am not doing anything wrong.
But you are. So can you come over here, please, so we can do the next test?
The officer says he saw 4 of the 6 possible clues on the eye test. Melanie thinks that score she can argue. Now the other officer has to somehow finish the walk and turn instructions.
Can you face this way? So this line, it's a straight line. Can you agree with me on that? So the next test we're going to do is the walk and turn test. So you're going to put your left foot on the line, and then you're going to take your right foot and place it in front of your left foot. No, don't start walking yet. I didn't finish my instruction. Okay.
Walk and turn. Walk and turn. Right here.
So I didn't finish my instructions.
That is perfect.
That was not perfect.
That's exactly what you were asking, though.
So there was 3 more steps I was going to tell you, but so we're going this way now. Okay. Are you going to do this test or not? This is your choice. It's a yes or no.
What else? What else?
Well, I need to complete my instruction for this test. And then you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps. So 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth till you get to 9.
Exactly what I did before.
No,
Thank you.
that's not what you did at all.
Oh, okay. Exactly what I did before.
That's not. You just started walking. So, okay.
Exactly what I did.
So on the 9th step, you're going to keep your front foot in place. So whether it's your left or right foot, and then you're going to pivot off of your foot.
I think you're like exaggerating all of this stuff.
I'm just reading you the instructions as I'm supposed to.
No, I think like
I'm just reading you the instructions.
I don't know your name.
He brought you here. Please.
I'm just reading the instructions and I'm explaining the test. No, you did. You went like this.
Perfectly fine.
You walked like it was a Sunday stroll.
It was a perfectly straight line, by the way.
That's not what the test is.
It was a perfectly straight line. It wasn't crooked. It wasn't crooked.
It's
guys.
heel to toe.
Fucking minds together. You guys are claps.
Okay, so are you going to do the test or not?
Was it crooked? Was it crooked?
You did the test incorrectly.
Was it crooked?
It doesn't matter if it was crooked or not.
It does.
It's a heel to toe step.
I already knew the test you were performing beforehand.
Are you going to perform the test or not?
It's a yes or no. It's just a yes or no. That's all it is.
Wait till you get to Newark Airport. Come on. Tell me how to perform it.
I just did the whole thing.
Yeah.
But you were too busy arguing.
Heel toe.
And your arms, if you would let me finish the instructions, your arms have to be at your side.
Oh, at the side. Heel toe. Tell me. Heel toe.
Miss.
Is this not perfect right now?
Miss, are you going to let him perform the
Is this not perfect?
Are you going to let him
Wait. You want to record it? Because it's perfect.
Listen.
Right here. Heel toe. Hands at the side. I can't wait to show this. I can't wait. It's perfect.
Where are you going?
The test or not?
Please do not grab me.
It's a yes or no.
Perform the test or not.
Did I not do suicide?
So
Miss,
no.
Miss, you're
Do
not
not
following
grab
our
me.
instructions.
Do not grab me.
I will grab you if I have to.
How did I
Okay.
not perform the instructions?
You're not following the instructions to the test.
How did I not?
You're failing to perform the instructions. We're
Are
refusing
you
to do the place
kidding
down the
Because
road.
I then tell you you're going to do the test.
You're
so you're going to
fucking
either go in the
kidding me.
starting position I just explained,
Oh
and then you're going to wait till I
my
tell you to
God.
go, or we're going to just skip this test, and I'm going to take it as a refusal. It's simple as that. You got two options: do the test properly and listen to me,
Sure I
or it's a
am.
refusal.
Go back a minute to her asking him to film how perfectly she's doing. She's demanding proof that she passed a test she keeps refusing to actually take from the top. Every time he lays out a step, she treats it as one more thing to dispute instead of one more instruction to follow. On the officer's end, a skipped test doesn't read as a pass. It reads as a refusal.
Yes, so you're going to start with your left foot on the line, and I didn't say go, so you've already failed it.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you.
I'm telling you how to
So,
properly
yeah.
do this test. I'm
So
giving
then
you.
I will
I'm giving you the
wait.
answers to the
I
test.
will wait. I will wait.
You are going to start with your left foot on the line,
Okay.
like this. You're
Tell
going.
me when to start. Say start.
Yep. You're going to place your right foot
Tell
in
me
front of
when
it
to
with
start.
your heel touching your
Tell me
toe.
when to start so I can pass
I
this
have to tell you the
test.
instructions first.
That you can tell me when
Okay.
to pass.
You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps. 1, 2, so
I
on and
already
so
know what
forth.
to
Your
do.
front foot, you're
Tell
going
me
to.
when to start
You're
so
going.
I can pass.
All right, start.
Perfect straight line.
And you were supposed to pivot off of your foot and do 9 heel-to-toe steps back
Oh,
if you let me finish my
Stop
instructions.
Come on, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm doing.
What the fuck are you
I'm doing my job.
You're losing your ground.
Where are you going? Stop. Do not walk
I'm
away.
not walking
We're
away.
doing the
I'm not
test
walking
over here.
away.
You
I'm
keep
not-
walking this way.
I'm not walking away. I'm not
Yes.
going to do anything.
I don't think you are, but
I'm
you
not
have.
walking
All right,
away.
just listen.
I'm
Don't,
not walking
don't
away.
touch me. Listen,
Okay, sorry.
I'm trying to give you the instructions to the test. I'm giving you the step-by-step instructions so you can perform the test to the best of your ability with following every instruction. When you start arguing and you just go and do the test, that's only worse for yourself. I'm giving you the answers
I
to
did
the test.
the test perfectly. Please stop.
You didn't.
Yo, I did the perfect straight line.
You did.
Yo, what the
You didn't.
Come on. Yo,
I get it.
you are trying to like compete with this.
We're not. There's no competition.
Yes, it is.
We're two completely different departments. He did the
Yeah.
pen test
You called them in.
because he has to do the pen test. I can't do that. He's trained in it.
And
I am not.
I obviously passed it because if I didn't pass it, he would have already arrested me.
No, we have to do all 3 tests first. There's 3 tests.
So he would have already arrested me.
No, he did the first test. I'm doing the second one, and then I'm going to do the third one. There's 3 tests.
No, like literally, seriously.
I'm being very serious. I'm trying to give you every instruction to the best, so you understand the test to the best of your ability. And you're going and doing the test without me saying start. I'm giving you the answer sheet.
Literally,
I'm reading
I
it step by
was so
step.
straight. But whatever.
The last test is going to be the one-legged stand, okay?
It's just, I don't care to do tests anymore.
If you choose to stand on your left leg, you're going to take your right leg and raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground, like so, and you're going to look at the tip of your shoe, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand these instructions as I've told them to you?
No.
What's confusing?
But we can try.
We can try it. You may begin the test.
Sure.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm waiting for you.
What do you want? Alright. Turn around, push hands behind your back.
No.
You're under arrest for operating a
Why?
vehicle under the influence.
No,
Yes.
stop. Please.
Don't resist.
No.
Don't catch a resisting.
Please.
Don't
I
catch a
work as a
resisting.
school nurse. Stop.
Don't resist.
Stop.
Don't catch a
No,
resisting
I
charge.
didn't do anything.
Don't catch a resisting charge. Come on.
Please.
Don't catch a
Please.
resisting. Stop. Don't catch a
Please.
resisting charge.
Grab my arm.
Yeah.
More it. Don't put the cuffs on. Take it.
I got
Just
it.
more it.
Don't catch a resisting charge. Knock it off.
You're hurting me. You're
Then
hurting
stop
me.
resisting. Stop resisting.
You're hurting me. Ow! Ow!
Don't crash your body. Stop it.
You literally hit my head.
Stop resisting.
You
Stop
hit
resisting.
my head.
Stop.
You hit my head.
That's what happens when you resist.
No, I'm sorry, but that's not what's gonna happen.
This is what's happening. Stop pulling your arm away. Can you grab my driver door and just hit the unlock button? Stop. Don't
Can
pull
you
it.
get my phone from the front?
We're gonna get everything. Just don't pull away.
Okay.
Don't catch a resisting charge.
Oh no, trust me, he's gonna.
Okay.
Bye.
Can you stop moving real quick?
No, put me in the back.
I have to double lock the
What's your
handcuffs.
name?
Can you stop?
Nicholas, time for a police department.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for hitting my head against the.
Yep.
Done. Thank you so much.
All right. Watch your
Appreciate
head.
it.
Step up on the step.
I know. Thank you.
Okay.
Even if he thinks she's pulling away, that's what happens when you resist. It's a terrible response when she's saying her head got hit. In New Jersey, an officer doesn't need a breath result before making a DWI arrest. The driving he says he saw, what he noticed during the stop, and the field tests can all be part of that decision. The breath test comes afterward. Now he needs a straight yes or no.
So next I'm going to read you the standard statement for motor vehicle operations per the New Jersey Attorney General.
I understand.
Okay, you have been arrested for driving while intoxicated, NJSA.
Actually, that's not true because you have no proof of that, so do not even mention that.
Driving while intoxicated, NJSA 394-50.
No, I'm sorry, that's your assumption.
The law requires you to
want-
submit
that's
samples
your
of your breath for the
assumption.
purpose of testing to
That is
determine
your
alcohol
assumption.
content.
Your assumption. You want
A
to go
record
to
of the
court for that?
taking
You
of
want to
the
go to
breath-
court for that? Because that's your assumption.
Okay.
Your assumption.
A record of the taking of the breath samples, including the test results, will be made upon your request. A copy of that record will be made available to you. After you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you will be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated.
That's what you tell yourself every day.
I do. Your answer is not acceptable. The law requires that you submit samples of your breath for breath testing. If you do not answer or answer with anything other than yes, I will charge you with refusal. Now I ask you again, will you submit to breath testing?
I already told you my answer.
Refusal.
The officer arrested her for DWI and then read her the state's breath test warning at the station. Asked to submit a sample, she never gives a straight yes in the footage. So here's the one worth arguing. Once the officer smelled alcohol and watched her drive, was talking her way out ever on the table? Or was this arrest set before the first test began? Tell us how you see it, and we'll read the good ones.